This SENORTIAN A3 L1800 DTF printer is a powerful solution for creating custom garments with exceptional print quality. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the best price. Designed with a durable L1800 printhead, this printer offers a print speed of about 7 minutes per print at an impressive 1440 dpi resolution, supporting simultaneous white and color printing. Perfect for both dark and light fabrics. Whether you want to print on t-shirts, hoodies, or other apparel, this machine delivers consistent, vibrant prints with high detail. One of the standout features of this printer is its versatile feeding system. It supports both roll and single-sheet feeding, giving users the flexibility to handle various printing projects with ease. The compact design measures 30 inches deep, 13 inches wide, and 9 inches high, making it suitable for small business setups or DIY custom apparel ventures. Its maximum print width is 13 inches, allowing for larger design prints within the A3 size range. Efficiency is a key focus of the SENORTIAN DTF printer. It incorporates white ink circulation, stirring, and automatic cleaning functions to ensure every print remains vibrant and consistent, eliminating common issues like ink settling or clogging. With a high 1440 by 1440 dpi resolution, the output is sharp and professional every time, boosting productivity without sacrificing quality. The package includes everything needed to get started immediately. Along with the cyan-colored DTF printer and an integrated A3 oven for curing prints, you also receive a 100-meter PET roll film, 6 250 milliliters bottles of DTF ink, 500 grams of DTF transfer powder, and RIP software. This comprehensive bundle means no extra purchases are required. Plus, there are helpful video tutorials included for printing and installation to guide users step by step. Setup is user-friendly with a USB drive that contains detailed operation and maintenance videos, along with access to remote online support and professional after-sales service. The printer operates exclusively with Windows systems, avoiding Bluetooth connectivity to maintain stable image transmission. The included software is non-toxic and designed to protect your computer. For anyone looking to produce vibrant, professional custom garments with reliable equipment, the SENORTIAN A3 L1800 DTF printer offers a compact, efficient, and complete solution. Don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best price and start bringing your creative apparel ideas to life today.